Well, the moment we've all been waiting for is officially here. Apple has sent out its invites to its iPhone event, and this year the event will be held on October the 13th. During its earning event earlier this year, Apple already confirmed that iPhone 12 shipments would be a few weeks later, and so the event has obviously been postponed because Apple doesn't want to have a massive gap between the announcement and shipping dates. Apple is rumoured to be releasing 4 iPhone models this year, and those names are rumoured to be iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it'll be interesting to see if that is definitely the names that Apple will be going with this year. Running a business can be hard, and maintaining a social media presence could even be harder. That's where Creatively Social come in. Creatively Social works with small business and entrepreneurs to keep their social media accounts active and engage with their customers whilst they are busy running their day-to-day business. For competitive pricing, check out creativelysocialva.com. Thanks Creatively Social for sponsoring today's episode.